We've got a sniper trained on your position.
But I've had an unmanned drone on that sniper's ass this whole time.
You mean the unmanned drone our hacker just took over? That's right, cowboy, hear that? We got you covered, so drop it.
Looks like you got me, but you forgot one thing. I always bring backup.
You mean Chuck E. Cheese over here? Boom. Second sniper. Oh, you knew all along? Yeah. Well, I knew all along that you knew all along. I knew you knew I knew all along. All along. This is making me hungry. For a slice of blueberry pie.
Special Agent Blueberries Johnson reporting for duty.
You were a sleeper agent?
That's right. And my top secret mission? To investigate you for corruption.
Who do you think you are, Blueberries? And who do you think
I am? I don't know. Why don't you ask?
You.
No! That's impossible! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
What happened? What?
You were a gun for a second!
What? No. I'm not a gun. What are you talking about? Definitely a gun for a second. I'm not a gun. I'm a human being.
Well, you're crying like a little girl.
Everyone, masks on. No. What the hell is that?
What? You said bring your own mask.
Oh, come on. Forget it. Forget it. No masks. Masks off. Masks off. We take these chains and hook them to the back. Pull the wall down. Catch them by surprise.
Don't see that every day.
You wake us! Are you happy?
Look what your dad rented. That's a 2015 Target Prancer. This baby is pretty sweet. We've still got 2 gas tanks.
Why 2?
Carry twice as much gas.
Why not just have one big tank?
It's twice the gas, buddy.
Actually, the same volume. Too small.
This is my favorite part. Slam the door on my arm.
What?
It has a sensor. It won't let you slam the door on your arm or leg.
Honey, I'm not doing
The
that.
rental guy showed me. Just do it.
Okay.
Do it. Do it.
Kind of fun.
Slam it.
All right. There you go. Oh my God! Damn it! My God, why did you let me do that?
Well, I didn't have the sensor activated.
Okay.
I'm an idiot. Do it again.
No, absolutely not.
Come on, it'll be fine. I just activated it.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Don't be chicken.
Fine.
Hey, Larry, where's the forklift? Forklift? It's over there by the baggage loader.
Airline. Automatic pilot.
Automatic pilot. There it is.
I'll go back to the passenger seat.
Oh my God, the automatic pilot, it's deflating.
Wait, don't panic. On the belt line of the automatic pilot, there's a hollow tube. Now that is the manual inflation nozzle. Pull it out and blow on it.